Hello and welcome to Literacy Lifestyle, where I share how I use specific purchases to help me become intentionally rich in many ways. If your goals align with mine, stay tuned.
So today we are unboxing two things. One is this Glamnetic haul, it's the new collection, and the other is an order from Baddies and Budgets. So I'm going to start with this order from Baddies and Budgets first. So I am opening this beautifully packaged box up. Here it says, "Hey Baddie, love it. Leave us a review." I love her products and I will be showing you more of those in the future. But look how cute this is. Baddie mail. So I'm opening this up. And inside I automatically see some things that I know I didn't necessarily order, so they must be freebies. So that has to be these savings trackers. These were definitely included for free, so thank you so much, Baddies and Budgets. These work really well with what I actually ordered, and I'm thinking that's why they were sent. I also know that she is kind of changing all of her designs, so that would explain why some of these are being sent out kindly as gifts. So thank you so much. So there are 4 here because I ordered 4 different savings occasions binders. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So these binders come in the most beautiful velvet packaging. It's hard to see on video, but it's velvet. And when you open the packaging, here you see your occasion binder. Now, I am an educator or a teacher, and I have so much respect for teachers because I know what we deal with on a daily basis. So these teacher binders were on sale and they are just beautiful. A teacher affects eternity. She can never tell where her influence stops. And in here, you have pockets for school supplies, classroom decor, hygiene products, student birthdays, luncheons, fundraisers, apparel, help a kid, snacks and drinks, continuing education, field trips, and staff appreciation, which is actually the reason why I bought these. I bought 3 of them because they were marked down majorly as an appreciation gift for my son's 3 teachers. So he has 1 more year at his school. So buying 3 now allows me to save for filling each of these pockets for his 3 teachers with something special. So for each of these, I plan on putting in a little, like just a small gift card or just even a few dollars in each of these so that they can then use the money as they see fit or have it be their starter savings. And this is just a super cute gift that allows them to also write on the back with permanent marker what they're saving for, the cost, and whether it's done or not. And this is completely reusable. And I have one for myself. So I got 3 more for his teachers. And I'm excited to share with you what it looks like to fill those. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Okay, everyone, so the way I had previously ripped that tissue paper was bothering me, so I paused, reset, and folded it under here. So here are the same 3 teacher binders that I showed you previously, and then here are the savings tracker for those binders that I showed you. Now, all the binders that I purchased are A5 binders, so these are larger than your typical A6 that are used in budgeting. And I have some of those right here, and I'll show you those in the future. But these A5 occasions binders are meant for larger expenditures, such as a home or a wedding. Now, my husband and I have been married for some time, but we are considering the possibility of renewing our vows in the future. So this was on sale, and it's absolutely beautiful. So when you open it here, it has all these different categories that would be relevant to a wedding. So here we also have the wedding tasks, due date, and an X for when you're done saving for them. So this is laminated and it's intended to be used with a permanent marker. And once you're done, or if you make a mistake, you just use rubbing alcohol, acetone, wipe, and reuse. So here's an envelope for catering, the rings, photography, videography, the wedding venue, music or DJ, miscellaneous reception money, a honeymoon, the wedding miscellaneous, the dress, the reception venue, wedding glam, and we all know how expensive makeup is, and bridesmaids. And back here you have another page laminated to write down your wedding tasks, the date they're due, and an X. So this is beautiful. If I don't use this for a renewal, this is a great gift to give any family members who are getting married in the near future. So I'm gonna move that over here. Then the last thing I got was this 52-week challenge. There are 26-week challenges if you want to speed this up, but this challenge says there are 52 weeks in any given year and 52 numbers on this tracker. Choose one number per week for a year and add that amount to your envelope and cross the number off the tracker. Wash, rinse, repeat. In reality, you just use that rubbing alcohol or acetone and just wipe, but you could use this many times. Upon completion, you'll have 1,500 saved. Life happens, you may miss a week or two. Simply pick up where you left off and keep on saving. Happy saving. So here is the tracker, and you will notice that it is laminated again to be used with the permanent marker. And then it has the numbers, and it also is 6-hole punched, which means that you could put this in an A6 binder. So I'm going to put that probably in this black binder, which I'll show you in the future. And then here is the envelope with the beautiful font where you save your 1,500. That also goes in the binder. And then here are some freebies if I haven't talked about this already. This is a double-sided permanent marker. So this part is fine tip. This part is like a regular tip. And then she always gives you, or most times will give you, these beautiful Baddies and Budgets pens that write in black ink so smoothly. So I am super excited about this haul. So I'm gonna put this away and then we'll talk about Glamnetic. I am so excited about this new shipment. So Glamnetic is all I wear. I have my stash over here, and these are actually the nails I'm wearing right now. This is part of their summer collection in the color Hot Pink. Hot pink is literally my favorite color if you have not noticed. So I'm wearing those, but summer is quickly coming to an end. So this is their new collection called Moonchild, which is perfect for fall. So please forgive me while I dump these out in an unpolished way, and they're going to be upside down because of how the label is located here, but we'll rearrange together. So here, that is all of them. Here we have the most beautiful sets. Oh, so pretty. Now, one thing that surprises me is that this is a brand new collection, but it comes in the old packaging. This is considered new packaging, but this collection came out before this one. So I'm curious about the development of packaging and whether that plays a role. But these are the 5 colors in Moonchild. One I'm most excited about is this specific shape. So this is Eclipse. It is a short Scoville. I think it's gorgeous. I love the Scoville shape. So there's that one. The other Scoville shape is Cosmic short Scoville. Beautiful. Look at that glitter. Oh, so gorgeous. Then this, I think, is kind of like the staple kind of set, if you will, from the Moonchild collection. This is Tarot. This is the one that I see the most advertised for Moonchild. I'm not a huge fan of the name, but I think they are gorgeous and such a pretty color. Then we have this beautiful ruby slipper. It's like a deep red with a little bit of sparkle. So pretty and beautiful shape. And then we have the beautiful Terra. So Terra is like a brown, like a chocolate brown matte with like a shiny brown finish, also in the shape short almond. So here's 2 short almond, no, 3 short almond, and then the 2 Scoville. So this beautiful collection, I have that ready to go for fall. And then if you noticed, another one came out of the package. This is Gold Digger. This is actually not part of that collection, but these are beautiful. They're short round, and yes, the gold is supposed to go on the bottom. They look really pretty on. Glamnetic has an awesome loyalty program, so after every so many orders, you get a free set of your choice. So I chose this one. So I got 6 in total, and that was what was located in this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed my unboxings of both Patties and Budgets and Glamnetic, and please join us again for more. Bye.